Hey there, space cadets! Welcome to the video that's out of this world. Today we're exploring the wild and wacky world of black holes. You know, those mysterious, gravity-defying cosmic monsters that suck everything in, never to be seen again. But don't worry, we won't let them suck us in. Let's blast off and explore the science of black holes. What is a black hole? So, what exactly is a black hole? Well, think of it like a giant vacuum cleaner in space, with super strong gravity that sucks in everything, including light. It's like the ultimate hide-and-seek champion, because once something goes in, it never comes back out. Black holes are formed from the collapsed remnants of massive stars, and are surrounded by a creepy crawly thing called the event horizon. The discovery of black holes. Black holes have been a topic of scientific curiosity for centuries. In the 18th century, dudes like Michel and Laplace introduced the concept, but it wasn't until Einstein's theory of general relativity in the early 20th century that we really started to understand what they were all about. It's amazing what a little brainpower and some good old-fashioned scientific curiosity can do. Types of black holes. There are a few different types of black holes out there, each with their own unique set of quirks. First up, we've got the stellar black holes, which are the smallest of the bunch, but still pack a gravitational punch. Then there are the intermediate black holes, which are like Goldilocks porridge, not too big, not too small, but just right. And finally, we've got the supermassive black holes, which are like the Godzilla of the black hole world. They're huge and can swallow entire galaxies. Properties of black holes. So, what are some of the crazy things that make black holes so special? Well, for starters, they've got an event horizon, which is kind of like a force field that surrounds the black hole and traps everything inside. Then there's the singularity, which is a fancy word for the point of no return. Once you cross that threshold, you're a goner. Oh, and let's not forget about Hawking radiation, which is like the black hole's way of getting rid of unwanted guests. The effects of black holes on their surroundings. Black holes aren't just content with sucking everything into their dark abyss. They also mess with the fabric of space and time around them. When a black hole is nearby, it creates a strong pull of gravity that affects everything around it. One of the things it can do is bend the light that's coming from stars or galaxies behind it, which makes those objects look distorted or even duplicated. It's like looking through a funhouse mirror. Another effect is something called tidal forces. These forces are like giant stretching and squeezing machines that can stretch and pull apart anything that gets too close to the black hole. It's kind of like when you play with a piece of taffy and stretch it out really thin. So, in short, black holes can mess with the way we see things in space and can stretch and squeeze objects that get too close to them. Scientific discoveries. Over the years, scientists have made some pretty epic discoveries about black holes. Like that time in 2019 when the Event Horizon Telescope captured the first ever image of a black hole. And we've learned a ton about how black holes affect the formation and evolution of galaxies. It's crazy to think how much we still have to learn about these mysterious monsters. The future of black hole research. So, what's next for black hole research? Well, scientists are still working on understanding some of the basic properties of black holes, like how matter behaves as it falls into them. And who knows, maybe one day we'll figure out how to harness the power of black holes for space travel. Imagine that, hopping on a black hole-powered spaceship and cruising through the cosmos like a boss. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it, folks, the science of black holes in a nutshell. It's crazy to think that something so mysterious and awe-inspiring exists out there in the universe. But that's the beauty of science, it's always pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Who knows what we'll discover next? Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your fellow space enthusiasts. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.